Oh wow, there you are. It's about time. Wow, so many of you. Where did everybody come from? Oh, you're here to see the flooring and custom stair videos. Yes, yes, yes. We have those, but besides that, you'll get to see me going up against my kids, Generation X versus Y. No, they're millennials, just joking. X versus millennials. Now, we have different philosophies, but I have to teach them on a daily basis everything I know, trying to get them to learn the family business. But besides dealing with our drama and trying to make the customers happy, you'll also see some funny cat videos. You'll see some of the adventures we go on, ice climbing, zip lining, and plenty of other things. You'll get to see me dealing with the other guy on a daily basis. So I'm sorry I'm boring you. Get back to the videos. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.
I'm here to do the real work now.